Hello, everyone. Good morning. This is Kishor again here from Serial Hub Property Solutions. Weekly live sessions happening every Tuesday morning at 10 o'clock. Sorry to bother you some videos to begin with the live session. Feel free to give any comments that you have on the comment box. I'll be reading that live, and if you have any questions, I will try to answer that questions as well when I'm doing the live sessions. Whether you are buying, selling, or you have investment property that you are looking for the good property manager to look after your property, we will be there to support you. I'm just gonna play this for a second, if I may. Just give me 1 second. All right, so just to give you a quick, this live session goes for about 20 minutes, just to give you a quick information about what we have done in the last 1 week at Real Up Property Solutions, as well as throughout the agents' performance, what's been sold, what's on the market, all those scenario, as well as today's session, I will be giving a little bit of information about what to expect. Now the border is open from next Monday, and it's a very tricky time of the year in the property market. Everyone is trying to predict what's going to happen once everyone is starting to come down to the Queensland. Our office will be closed from, I believe, just to let you know, it's from 22nd of December to 3rd of January. So our office will be closed within that period for a holiday break. However, we do have a property manager working full time. He will be, our property management side will be open no matter what. So to help our tenants and vendors, if you have any questions on that. Regarding the property last 1 week, once again, we have a good result throughout the office. Property going live, under contract, off market, and as well as few settlements happened last week. First, 8 Links Avenue in Meadowbrook, under contract, off market, better than what vendor expected, and that's all we want. And the buyer is very happy with the home and as well as the offer. So it's under contract within a week, off market. We also had 14 Danbury Street, Pimpama, went under contract as well. Us done a great job there as well. I believe 32 Greenham Circuit in Kumira is under contract as well. Us has done a fantastic job there as well, listing the property and getting the offer, getting the under contract way above what the vendor was expected. 53 Watson Drive in Kumira is currently under contract, going through the finance condition, as well as 59 Flora Crescent and 8 Silver Gould Street, Pimpama, and those Kumira area, those two suburbs property was sold as well last week. Well done to Asis there as well, selling those properties. He's doing a great job within those suburbs in the last few months, and there are more to come. We still been talking with quite a few vendors in Upper Kumira, Oxenford, Kumira, and Pimpama areas. We are hoping to get a lot of stocks just after Christmas, as we are signing some agreements in between that time prior to the Christmas. We have some quite a good homes coming in, and we're doing some appraisals next week as well. That's very exciting, as we always running out of the stock, but when it times comes up that we're gonna top up more stocks is good for our buyers and the sellers in this market. And also, if you are on the market and if you're looking to buy a first home or investment property, please ensure that you check your due diligence, you do your own research before buying anything or putting an offer. Let's go move on to the border. Now the border is open for the interested people to come in and without quarantine, which is great news that we received from our premier yesterday. So from Monday 1 a.m. next week, the visitors of the people from the interested is allowed in the Queensland. This is a very tricky time. I know we are reaching into the holiday seasons. There's might not be much quick reaction on the property market, but it will definitely help people to come in physically and have a look at the property themselves. While before was even myself was able to sell quite a lot of properties to our interested clients, even though they can't physically come and see the property. We had to do the video inspection and such. So that kind of effort is very, very important to show it to your buyers, that ensure that the house in the area is particularly what they're looking is good for them. If they are doing an investment, make sure there is a good rental yields, the location, infrastructures, and the future potential growth as well. That's all these scenarios we calculate ourselves before we recommend to our clients based on what they want to achieve on that property portfolio. So if you have any questions, if you are interested, if you're looking to secure investment property in Queensland, I think we will be there to help you out every possible way we can. Our presence are there in social media, a website. We have agents working throughout Queensland, especially in Brisbane and Gold Coast. So we are pretty much covered in those areas if you're looking to purchase something in there. Also, we have listed 36/25 North Marquee Street in Castledown, Brisbane. Beautiful townhouse. We are scheduled to do an open homes this week, but we have already received numerous inquiries and also a few offers coming through. So we'll update you on that next week, how it goes. Especially in this, so I'll try to engage more people or more specialists in terms of mortgage brokers, accountant, and getting the insight for SMSF investment, how we can actually invest in the property with your self-managed fund. We will be inviting those kind of guests in the coming weeks, so hopefully you'll get more information about that. And also, if you are on the market, if you are thinking about selling your property, I think we are still in the lowest interest rate in the history. There's still potential buyers around, and that's probably the better opportunity for you to sell your property in top dollar, as we have achieved for our vendors last quite a few months. And we have been receiving numerous positive feedback from our clients. Our Brisbane side has been quite busy with the house and packages. Obviously, if you see in the Gold Coast side, there's still a scarcity on the land. But if you are looking for the property to be built, we have land and package available in Upper Coomera, as well as Sky Ridge, which is another premium location on the Gold Coast. They have recently opened up the release there's a few states of the land as well. So if you are looking some sort of those properties around Gold Coast, whether you're looking to build, renovate, if you have something to do on a knockdown and rebuild, and also you're looking to buy and sell an existing property, we are here to help you. We also do have a property management portfolio. We have full-time property manager working in our office, looking after those tenants and vendors. We are constantly switching the property from other agents, other property managers, and also getting the new rentals, which is a massive success for us so far. We have some exciting months ahead after Christmas and New Year, which will be obviously coming in the next few months or weeks. We will obviously update you on that. Also, just want to give you a bit of information about how the property market went in Kumera and Southport last week. Not very good results in terms of selling, but the stocks is coming through. They are increase in the stock levels in both suburbs, where the price has gone drastically up, especially in the Kumera side. Now the median price for the Kumera house is around 550K, whereas Southport median house price for the single dwelling is about 701,000, which is around 100,000 more than what we were last year this time. So there's a massive interest and massive inquiries to buy a property, especially around in Kumera and Pimpama, in Upper Kumera, because of the affordability and the locality and the also the facilities around. Which is quite good. So we have some interesting properties coming there as well. We will keep you posted. Just looking at the comment box, I've got some private chat live as well. I've seen a few people have sent in me a private messages. Thank you for that. I will definitely keep you posted on those questions. As it's private information, I don't want to share it in the public. I'll be going there and putting your answers as well as in private. So if you have any questions within this live session, please do not hesitate to put on a comment box. Whether if you're looking to buy or sell, or you just have an inquiry on the property market, I will be more than happy to answer those questions. In the meantime, we also have free coffee session tomorrow at 10 o'clock in Classic Cafe House in Surfers Paradise. We will sit down there for an hour. You can come in anytime between 10 and 11. We'll have a chat with coffee. Any questions that you have in the property or real estate, we will try to answer those questions. We will also have mortgage broker, none other than here, Shrestha with us. So he'll be able to answer your mortgage or home loan questions you may have. I think unless I received any questions here, I think that's pretty much I have for this week. We will be coming in live next week with a special guest. So be in touch. I don't want to reveal that yet, but you will be getting a lot of information on the next week's session, on the live session. So please stay tuned. We'll be updating that in some sort of end of this week regarding our guest. But till then, have a great day and keep what you're doing and do your best what you're doing. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next week.